Corporate catalogs are powerful tools for showcasing products and services professionally. In this tutorial, I will show you how to design a print-ready corporate catalog in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and set your page size. Now set the margins and bleed areas. Then design a modern cover page. Use a clean grid layout for product sections and images placement. Now add a higher resolution product images with consistent lighting and analogs. Include product names, short descriptions, and prices in neat columns. Use corporate brands color for headers, drivers, and accents. Maintain consistent typography throughout the catalog for readability. Add section